This homemade mustard tastes better than store-bought, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Before I started making the mustard, I mixed the mustard seeds with the water and apple cider vinegar. I stirred everything well and let the mixture sit for 12 to 24 hours so the seeds could soften and be ready for blending. Then, I transfer everything to a blender and blend until I reach the desired consistency. I add the honey, salt, oil, and turmeric. I blend or stir once more until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. I transfer the finished mustard to a jar and store it in the refrigerator. The mustard should not be consumed immediately after preparation. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours to allow the flavors to develop and become more balanced and enjoyable. The longer it sits, the milder and smoother the flavor becomes. If it is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. Thank you for watching.